This weekend is gonna be a new experience. We feel like we've kind of seen most of New Zealand, but that's not the case. We haven't been to Hanmer Springs.
Hanmer Springs, the best place in the world.
They've got a big water park from what I hear. They've got 20 pools in this place.
Here we are at Hanmer Springs. We just arrived at the Hanmer Backpackers. It's 1 o'clock, so we're a bit early for checkout.
You did say that we're a bit early for checkout because we're checking out tomorrow.
We've got 1 hour till check-in, so let's go grab some lunch somewhere. All right, market number 2 for today.
Yay!
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We just got
Sunshine.
$20 worth of cheese.
$20 worth of ches. So he's the guy this town is named after.
Thomas Hanmer. He looks so proud
Cool.
with his surveyor stick. Is that what that is?
Cheese! We already got the cheese. You do want a picture with Hanmer? The Hanmer. Oh, look at that kereru.
Chonky.
Chonke.
And Mr. Cravat.
Tui. And 3.9 sur 5. C'est pas droit. But look at this. We found a beer tower and a kilo of chicken wings for 40 bucks. Quite a few pools here at this Hanmer Springs Thermal Pools and Spa. Aquatherapy, rainbow and rock pool, sulfur pool, hexagonal pool, cascade pool. That's like the sex pool, I think. The one that the thing was referring to. Private
Say pool
pools.
one more time.
Steam and sauna pool.
Pool.
And water slides.
Pool.
All right. Oh, it's gonna be fun, eh? You go to the wedding?
Yeah.
Pretty nice looking burger.
I like that the bread is square.
I'm gonna be full after this, that's for sure. How do I go in on this? It's so massive, they have 2 toothpicks.
Unhinge the jaw.
Unhinge the jaw.
I'm confused. How do you open this? Oh! It exploded! Do I have ketchup on my face?
On your glasses, yeah.
Cheese on me.
Small bit of healthy home is cozy.
Oh yes, no, this is fine.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you. There's an animal park nearby. That looks like a wallaby.
Wallabies.
10-minute walk from the springs.
Wallabies. Let's go grab our stuff. We're gonna settle in, charge my phone, and then it's off to Hanmer Springs. They're open till 9 p.m. so we've got heaps of time.
It's like a raw mushroom.
We're settled in, we're relaxed, let's hit up those pools. Hanmer Springs, thermal pools, and somewhere right here.
Lovely, thank
So,
you.
thank you. Oh, here we are. Oh, look at that. How big this place is. It smells like sulfur.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Oh, look at that pounamu. 81 is our lucky number. There we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, nice and warm.
Oh, it's buoyant. Oh my god, it's so buoyant, the water, no?
It is,
See the
eh?
minerals.
Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. Heating up a bit. Last one was 35. This one is 37, I think. I want to sit on a jet. That's where the magic happens.
When were we in TEKAPO? Wasn't that just like last week?
Yeah. It just seems that we kind of just go in between hot pools.
This is why one does not have children.
Yeah.
What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not.
Ling packed us a bag of goodies.
We got cool mint chocolate thingies, bananas,
Perfect ripeness.
some cheese from Whitehorse cheese from the market, Wallaby Red, and crackers, of course.
Don't get mad, I didn't bring anything to cut this with. It's vacuum sealed.
No. Oh, that just zoomed in on your cleavage. It's about 6 o'clock now. This place is significantly less busy, but when we came in here, it was packed. Almost every pool. There's 20 pools. Every pool had at least, 3 or 4 people in it. So what I said earlier about Hanmer Springs seems kind of dead right now. The very reason is that everybody was concentrated in this one location.
Christmas brought so much joy, couldn't wait.
So if Ling and I lived in Christchurch, I think for sure we would be here often enough. From the city to here, it's 90 minutes driving. Definitely makes it worth it to come here just for the weekend. Is it this pool that you're not supposed to submerge your head? For some reason you're not.
Meningitis.
Oh, that's why.
Because the water isn't chlorinated.
Direct from the springs, containing all the minerals and sulfur. It smells like Rotorua here. Take a cold waterfall shower. Wow, it's refreshing. All right, it's 8:10. I think we got our money's worth. It's time to skedaddle. As cool as this logo is, wristband. Bye.
Thanks for helping us. Konomu is a good stone to put some negative energy into and take some positive away.
Oh, how great. What a great day. Hanmer Springs thermal pools. This is like kind of like Hanmer Springs' claim to fame.
Hanmer Springs, the best place in the world.
This is really the only reason to come out here is the pools.
The town
pools.
is named after the springs.
All right, let's take a wet walk back to the old backpacker / cottage. There's this level of comfort that older men have with nudity.
Oh, that in that regard.
Yeah,
Oh,
so in the changing room, I saw a lot of old white skin.
saggy and loose.
A lot of comfort. I wish I was that comfortable. I'm jealous that they can do
coming.
it so easily, but I'm sure I'm gonna reach a point in my life where I'm just gonna be like, why am I like scampering around, you know, like putting my bathing suit back on after I leave the shower just so I don't have to walk through the stall naked. Like, who cares? I wish I had their confidence.
Kind of hit that point because I just stripped. There was
Right.
no one around though.
Exactly.
That's part of why I did it. But if someone did walk around the corner, they would have seen my
Your birthday suit. Your birthday suit.
Yeah, not bathing suit. I took off my bathing suit.